Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Good to see you all back here again. Just doing a little Sunday evening update before the market opens for us tomorrow. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes only, so let's be entertained. Let's look at what we got on the daily charts. If we look at Friday, an amazing amount of volume, 75 million. How many times did we trade that float over? That is crazy, but awesome to see. So we're gonna probably see some of the effects of the calls that were in the money. Are they getting exercised, or did people take the money and run? Well, we're gonna find out, but what I was doing was looking back just to kind of see if we could compare this to anything. And what I liked was back here. I think it was on the 2nd. Yeah. So April 29th, that volume there was 100 million. So that was a big volume day for REDBOX. And that was on a Friday. Here we got a big volume day on a Friday. And what happened the next day? Another massive amount of volume on that following Monday. Spiking it to what, about 11, let's see, where's the open and close? Opened to 684, hit the high of 11 bucks, so $4 move on that volume. And they probably still had some shorts available at that point. The cost to borrow wasn't quite as high as it is now. So going back over here, if we're comparing that to Friday, will we see that same big move? Will we see another massive volume day? You know, if we followed 100 million volume up with 160 million, we got a 75 million. So could we see 125 million, 150 million go down on Monday? I'd like to see it. I'd like to see the continuation. I think it's possible. I do. I think a lot of people see an opportunity to make money. We know that the shorts are in a tough position right now. They don't have the ammunition that they need. Obviously, the market makers are just creating shares right now that are being sold into the market. A lot of day trading activity, no doubt. This is probably easy money for a lot of day traders. We're seeing some huge swings, which is what they like. They need that volatility, but that's okay. Because I would like to see, if we get big volume, I would love to see 18 hit tomorrow, like pretty early on. I think if we break this down to the hourly candles, what do we got? Can I find it real quick? Yeah, so it happened relatively quick. Here we go. That volume came in within the first 5 hours. So 5 hours of the day, and then we saw it get hit pretty hard. So let's see how we open up. It's probably going to get a little scary. They're going to be able to unhedge some of those calls that they had for sure. So I expect a pullback in the morning, just a slight one probably for the first hour, playing the same game until that supply gets eaten up. And then I think we look good. I think as long as everybody's still playing the same game, there's a strong possibility that we're going to have an explosive day again tomorrow, just based off of the history. So let's see what happens. Obviously, none of us have a crystal ball. We don't know for sure what's going to happen, but 18, I mean, yeah, honestly, we could spike up here and hit this 18, I think. That's going to be my target for Monday. I want to see a spike. I want to see us hit 18. If we do, it'll be important if we can hold strong candles with volume above that 18 in order to keep running. If not, it's going to get hit, and it's going to get hit hard. But the play's not over. You know, the deal hasn't been made, or well, the deal hasn't been made in concrete yet. So there's still a play here as long as that's still in the works and nothing's been signed. So let's see what happens. I mean, great opportunity. Again, not financial advice, not saying jump in because I'm guaranteeing it's going to 18. I don't know. I really don't know. We could see it do a gap fill down here if it really wants to and come down below this box. This box is my danger zone. I don't want to see us drop out of this box. 940 really being the bottom, and if we do a retest of 11, that's comfort. We can retest 11, and if we get down outside of this box, then I think we're almost guaranteed to be coming back down to 850 at least before it decides what it wants to do from there. So all we can do is keep an eye on it. Let's hope that the volume stays high, that people are exercising some of those calls, and we get that gamma. Maybe we'll get some shorts to cover. That would be nice as well. I don't know if they will or not. I mean, they definitely have a reason to stick with their plan. We know at some point this thing is going to come down, but I don't think it's going to be next week. So let's see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want, you're welcome to drop a like, leave a comment, or subscribe to the channel for some other updates. Try to throw them out occasionally. But as always, stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.